Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online classes of computer science subject. I am your computer teacher, Nirhankari from Appa Public School, CBSE, Kalburgi. Today I will be going to deal with 6th chapter, that is writing and calculating in KTurtle. Yes, my dear students, here we will be writing the text as well as numbers and calculating. There are certain calculations which can be made in KTurtle. Totally, in this chapter, there are 8 topics. In today's session, we will be dealing with certain topics. Let us see which are those topics. Know that before going into depth or discuss certain topics like writing and calculating in a KTurtle, before that what we have to do? We have to enter into a open source software, that is rollup.com. That is rollup.com. In this again what we have to do? We have to click on KTurtle Rollup. As we have discussed in last 2 sessions. So what we have to do? We have to log in into certain email and a password. Here again I will be typing my user ID with password. You have to create your own email ID as well as password. Here again I will be logging into this web page. After that just click on KTurtle and then click on launch KTurtle with the limited capabilities. As soon as I click there, the KTurtle is starting up and it will open its own editor, which is that editor called as KTurtle editor. Okay. In this, we will be discussing about the introduction part. There are totally 8 topics. The first one is introduction. Second one, print command. We will be learning print command. The third one is font size command. The fourth one, go command. Fifth, sprite show and sprite hide commands and calculations in KTurtle. The next is ask command and the last one is message command. Here in today's class we will be discussing only 3 topics, that is introduction, print command and font size command. Let us see one by one. As you all know that KTurtle is an open source software. What we have to do? We have to log in your email ID as well as a password created in KTurtle application software. Okay. In the previous section, in the first chapter, that is 4th chapter, introduction to KTurtle, we have discussed certain commands like forward, backward, turn right, turn left, and in 5th chapter we have studied like reset button, canvas size, canvas color changing, and pen color, pen width. But in today's class we will be dealing with certain commands like print command and font size command. Okay. In introduction, as we all know that it is a KTurtle is a open source software which will be created in a online. Okay. And the next one is print command. What is the use of print command, my dear students? We have to enter the print command in the editor pane. The KTurtle editor includes the title bar, the address bar, this is the menu bar, toolbar, editor pane, this is canvas, and then this is inspector pan, and the last status bar. Okay. In editor pan, we will be entering certain commands. Today only two commands will be using, that is print command and font size command. Let us see one by one what actually a print command is. Okay. A print command makes the turtle write the text as well as number. Okay. What is that actually? We'll be using certain text. What is the main use of text? What is this terminology you are using in a computer language? The text is nothing but it includes alphabets from A to Z. Alphabets may be uppercase letter or the lowercase letter. Uppercase letter are nothing but capital letters and lowercase letters are nothing but the small letters. Okay. We will be making use of alphabets, that is nothing but text and numbers. Let us see first what is a print command. We will use a certain print commands. Okay. If I want to display 86 number like 86, what I will be doing? I will be writing in a editor pan like print 86. Why I am taking only 86 as a number? Because that is mentioned in your textbook in the page number 66. After writing the command like print 86, the next step will be F5. Press F5 to run the option or command. Look here students, this has been changed. The turtles in the right side, right bottom side, you will be getting 86. If I want to change this print command by 86 to 100, what I will be doing? Before writing any command, we have to reset the turtle to come to its original position by default. Okay, after resetting, what I will do? Again I will print it and I will write 100. After that, I will just press F5 button from the keyboard. That is F5 is nothing but it is a function key. Okay. Did you notice it? That 86 has been changed to 100. Okay. This is nothing but printing the number. Okay. This is all about the print command. The print command can also be used to display the text. The text to be displayed needs to be enclosed in double quotation. What is this double quotation? The making use of two apostrophes in the top left and then top right. This is nothing but double apostrophes. Let us see the example. Till now what we have learned? We have learned about how to print the numbers. Now again, before going to deal with the text, what we have to do? We have to reset the turtle by writing the command like reset. After that, what we have to write? We have to write the print. What I am writing here? Hey, it's me. What is that? The turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Why I am using this example? Because this is there in your textbook. You should get a clear idea like how we will be making use of these commands. After this, what I will do? Just I will press F5 button. Did you notice, my dear students? Here on the canvas, in the canvas editor, you will be seeing, hey, it's me, the turtle. Okay. After this, what I will do? I'll just forward the command by, that is by writing FW. I will write 50. It has to move to 50. And again, what it has to do? It has to print like, again double quotation mark, welcome. Welcome to Appa Public School. Appa, P-U-B-L-I-C, Public School. After that, what I have to do? Again, I have to press F5 button. Did you notice, my dear students? Here, again, by forwarding the turtle, here we have written welcome to Appa Public School. Did you notice like why here 2 times hi, it's me, the turtle? Because after this we have not ended the command. So, it will take one more time. Okay. if we should not repeat this hi it's me the turtle 2 times, what we have to do? We have to reset the command, or we have to enter the reset command in the editor pan so that it should not repeat the 2 times. Okay. After this what we have to do? We will be erasing all the commands like text as well as number, and again we will be going to deal with the reset. After that turn right 90 and then print what is that? Welcome Mr. Turtle, Turtle, turtle. After that what happens? Again I will run it. What it will do? It will turn right. It will, here you notice it here my dear students. Here it will turn to 90 degrees in the right side of the KTurtle and then it will print welcome Mr. Turtle. Okay. This is nothing but turning the turtle and then writing the text. Okay. After this what I will do? Again I will just reset it and then press F5. After that turn left 60. After that what I will do? I will print it and then I will write 990. Here notice my dear students, I am writing the text in the double apostrophes, whereas number I am not making use of any double apostrophes. I am writing it normally and then I will just press F5 button to run the command. So what actually happens here? The turtle turns to the left side and then it will print 100. Okay. This is all about the print command. You all are getting my dear students? You have to practice at home. Okay. After practicing you will get an idea how to make use of all the commands till now what we have discussed. Okay. Once again reset it and then what we have to write? We have to print like computer computer science, SCIENCE, computer science. This is chapter 6, which is that writing and calculating. Okay. After this what I have to do? I have to end with the closed double apostrophes. Then only we can execute the turtle command. Okay. After writing this what I will do? Just I will press F5 button. Here just notice it. Here computer science chapter 6 WRITIN. Only this is visible in your canvas editor. So just to make sure how many sentences are made in the canvas, what we have to do? We have to turn the scroll on with the upside position to see the complete sentence which is written in the canvas editor. Just by pressing the scroller from the mouse. Okay. Here you can see computer science chapter 6 writing and then calculating. This is all about the print command. The next command is font size command. What is this actually? What is the meaning of a font? Before going to the next command, what we have to do? We have to clear the canvas. So what we will do? Just reset it by writing the command RESET and then press F5 button to clear the canvas or reset the canvas editor. Okay. After this, there is a second command, that is font size. What is this font size? The font size command is used to set the size of the font. Here font is nothing but alphabets which are making use in this editor, or in computer terminology a font is nothing but the letters which we are making use in a particular application software. Okay. The font size command is used to set the size of the font. The size may be in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. So we can make use of a font size command. The size is then applied to the text being displayed on the canvas. The number specified along with the font size command is the size of the font in the pixels. As we all know that pixel is nothing but a single dot which is present in the canvas editor or on the screen of a computer system, that is on the desktop. So we will be making use of font size command. Okay, this is the third topic in 6th chapter, which is that font size command. Okay, in this we have to write, what is that? Reset. Again you have to go to page number 67 to write the command on the editor pan. Okay, just we'll write the pattern like print hello. Okay, print hello. After that what it has to do? It has to move forward with the 100 and then font size, what is that? 20 and then print, print hello, hello, hello. After that forward by 100 and then font size by 50. After that what we have to do? We have to print it hello, hello, hello. After that forward with the 100 and then font size, I will take it as 50 and then print hello. Print hello, hello, hello. Okay, after this just press F5 button. What is the mistake here? Could not understand single apostrophe 100. What is that? We have to make use of double apostrophes. Okay. After that what we have to do? We have to click on the canvas and then just click F5 button. After pressing the F5 button from the keyboard, what we will be get? We will be getting the like hello, hello, hello and then hello. How many times? 4 times. Here the size of the font size will be increasing in the smaller to a bigger size. Here hello again 2 times it is same because we have not ended the statement. Okay my dear students, this is all about the font size command. In the next section we will be reading certain more commands and with the detailed topic. Let us stop here and in the next class I will complete it. Till that you have to practice it. Take care my dear students. Thank you.